Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. People, guys, today is a glorious day. We are in España. Estamos en España. Now, for those of you know that I can speak a bit. So we're gonna try and see like how far I can get in Spain. How we can get along con la gente.
What would you call the locals in Malaga?
La gente local, like the local people. But anyways, guys, we've just landed here. We're looking for the apartment. We're gonna drop our bags, find some food. Cause can't lie, man, I'm so done, man. Like, do you know them ones when the flight's early in the morning and you can't sleep? So we've just been awake for like 34 hours. I need me a Red Bull. Nahyan needs a Red Bull. Imtiaz needs a Red Bull.
I need a coffee.
By the way, guys, we've got a new lens, so I can fit everyone in. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. So loving the alleyway, loving the colours. And how are you in it?
What?
The colours, like the
it's banging, right?
aesthetic, so nice. You know, you got the scooters, you got everything, man. It's nice. I like the buildings here, like it's really nice. Very Spanish.
I think it's Spanish. Are we in Spain?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, okay. Sorry,
Estamos en España.
I had to make sure. As the Spanish music plays in the background. Sorry, that was my attempt at dancing in Spanish.
Dancing in Spanish.
Yes. That's
the caption. But yeah, guys, good to be here. Good to be out of the UK. I feel like it's been a very long time since we traveled. So, you know, alhamdulillah, we're here. We're grateful to the one and only. But yeah, guys, inshallah, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna explore Malaga a little bit and, you know, have a bit of fun. But I need food. I need food in my system. Alright, so now we're just waiting for the lady to come through with the code. The secret code. Secret code for?
Our flat.
Our flat. Don't blame me if I go on the bed and just sleep. You can't blame me for that. Nah, because I might just... Oh, that's nice. Is that the apartment?
Yeah. And one of the ones that we looked at.
Guys, you're going to like the apartment. You ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Guys. Yeah. Yes, sir. I like it. Got a nice little area there.
It's looking clean. Decent.
Decent, man. Can't lie. Yo, shame we only staying here for one night.
Otherwise, they're just as lit, cuz.
Are they? But anyway, guys, we're just gonna set camp and then we're gonna skedaddle, get some food, explore the city a little bit. By the way, guys, what do you lot think of bringing back Karachis? I think they're so nice. What do you think? Do you think they're nice?
They're nice. They suit you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
You can
I like your night hoodie. I really like your night hoodie.
Thanks.
No, but I really like it.
Thanks. Exclusive.
Got a nice little lighting scenario here. Now, it might be worth mentioning, me and Imtaz just recovered from being ill. So we got a little going on, but we're alright now.
Recovering.
Okay, we're recovering.
Oh, some weird pictures, bro.
I know. It's just very Spanish pictures. I'll show you guys. This one's pretty self-explanatory. The other ones I don't really want to show. That one, yeah, I don't know. Can we appreciate the drip though?
My drip.
The hair.
I don't have the drip.
Black. What are those? They're nice.
Thanks.
They fit the theme. No, time-lapse came out sick. Yeah. But when I stabilize it, what are you saying, guys? Guys, I just discovered something. Hyperlapse. Guys, how convenient. A halal spot. Let's go. For those of you who doubting. A mild lunch. Right? Oh, whoa. Yalla Ahmed. I'm not on holiday if I don't have Coca-Cola. You know? Standard. But when you're walking towards them, just act a bit lost. Do you get it? Act lost, yeah. Do you need help? Do you
Do you know where the car park is?
The car park?
Yeah, the car park.
The car park is right this way, lads. So guys, just a quick stop to Lidl, get some essentials, get a lota. You guys know what a lota is, isn't it?
No. Bodna, bro. You know what bodna is?
What do you Bengalis call it?
Bodna. Call it bodna.
Bodna. Ooh. You don't get these in the UK.
You do.
No.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't get these and you also don't get these. No, you do get these. Sorry, you do get these. We're from the UK.
So that's the shopping done. Can we get some sleep now?
We are not sleeping, bro.
Are we not?
You come to
Wait,
Spain to
are we
sleep.
actually not sleeping?
We come to Spain to sleep.
Are we actually not sleeping?
Yes, we did actually, because that's what Spain is about.
What? Sleeping?
Yeah,
S
it
is
is.
Spain.
Listen,
stands
we all
for
know why you're here.
The mamacitas.
Mm-hmm.
No, but honestly, no. Can we just go back to the resting thing and the sleeping thing?
Yeah, can we
Spain
speak?
is about siestas, no? Like they take big breaks and they nap during work.
Yeah, let's nap.
We're not working, we're on holiday, but
No,
we should have
no,
naps.
but technically
on
we're working.
holiday.
For YouTube is a job, so technically I should
Not
get
for
my
me, lad.
sleep. But you're part of the YouTube video though, so
I don't know
technically
about
you're
that.
working as well, so
I don't
technically
know
we
about
should
that.
sleep.
I don't know about that.
Look, you could have... Oh, by the way, we didn't even show them the car. It's a Renault Clio. It's a very nice one as well. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay.
We are in the house of Spain, home to the amazing
Muslimeen.
Did you guys know that this building over here was invented 7,000 years ago?
It says established in 2001. Ask me if I got any sleep, and the answer is no. What's going on, guys? I didn't sleep. No, Nahyan did. Nahyan was smart. In life, be like Nahyan. Sleep. Even if it's for 10 minutes, sleep. But anyway, guys, what do you think of these shades? It's alright, isn't it? Anyways, guys, I want to show you the fit. Nahyan, thank you for the Vans. Let's see what we can make. Let's see what we can make. They took the stairs, I took the elevator because I'm lazy. Whoa.
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye.
The eye that he's referring to, by the way, it's coming. It's coming. One.
That's it.
Oh my god, look, they're celebrating the Malaganese. Shall we do that? Guys, this is a Colosseum. Back in the day, they used to fight lions. They used to fight bear Aslans.
Narnia and that.
Narnia. Yeah, man, they used to fight bear Narnians here as well. Narnia is a true story, you know.
Yeah.
But not many people are ready for that conversation.
The people are on the hunt for the wardrobe still.
Yeah.
It still exists somewhere.
But yo, it's nice, man. Very nice. So, new intel, Aslan was actually sacrificed over here for Emily. Was it Emily?
Yeah.
Emily, yeah. Basically, I'm gonna embarrass. How am I doing it like this?
Yeah, go on.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it.
Stupidity. One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye. You exhausted already, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Come on, man. This is light work. Oh, guys, the views.
Look at the views, bro.
Look at the views. I don't know what I'm looking at, but oh, nice views. Spain, Malaga. You've been beautiful, man.
Have a little break, have a little Kit Kat. Yo, those trousers are nice.
You know, I got them from Iceland.
Iceland.
Yeah, New Yorker. They might have a New Yorker in
They look
Europe, you know.
comfy and smart.
Yeah, I was saying, do you think we're allowed to go in there or no?
Yeah. Here, we have Imtiaz in his natural habitat. We must not disturb him, for he is in the world of virtual reality.
Says the guy that's disturbing me.
Who needs Paris when he's got this?
Oh yeah, the Louvre, the VTech Louvre.
You know, if I could shoot vlogs at 1.8. Oh my goodness. Hello, mate.
Hello.
So guys, we decided to do some scootering around the beach. How was that?
Very fun.
Is that right, innit? It's fun, man. Yes, sir. By the way, guys, this is a sign to never ever wear your phone without a screen protector. Yo, they're so beautiful. What the hell? What are they?
Oh no. Bilal. Bilal.
I apologize.
Wow.
We're just at the beach right now. As you guys have seen, beautiful scenery, beautiful birds. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna enjoy the sunset here. And yeah, call it a day. Malaga's been nice. As you guys have seen, very scenic, very like dusky. Like I like the look, the aesthetic, dusky, beigey look. I've still not slept. Man's just gotta relax a bit, go home and call it a night really. But yeah, like Malaga's nice, man. Really, really nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scenery. And the boys can't hear me, but honestly can't ask for anyone better to spend this trip with, to spend travels with. Really, they're good people, good bunch. So alhamdulillah, we thank Allah. We should always thank Allah for our company, for the opportunities, you know, to see the world and to share that experience with brothers, people I can confidently call brothers. So yeah, guys, speaking of the devils, they were backbiting about me.
Say nothing.
Yeah.
They were backbiting about me.
Yeah, we backbite about you because we'd say it to your face as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're saying
You're a
They're not even my creps though. You're not. They're not even my creps.
Oh my
though.
god!
Yeah, bro. That's
shit,
not
that's
my fault, bro.
That's a fade. That's an ombre. Someone left their keys.
The key to success.
We think that we just suddenly
Cheers, model. Photos that we just got. Why are you bopping for?
How they walk in GTA?
Oh yeah, no, that's how they walk. I'll do it. They walk like this.
Sandals.
NPC. That actually looks sick.
Thank you.
It's a YouTuber, he has like millions.
Imtiaz,
Yes, sir.
why do you have bare colours on your backpack? Are you trying to represent something?
Yeah, watermelon.
Oh, okay. What's going on, guys? It's the morning of the next day, but that's gonna be in the next vlog. We're gonna be heading off to Granada. A little drive awaits us, but we'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah ta'ala. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, leave a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and inshallah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum from the gang.
Alaikum assalam.
Let's go.
Oh, I said wa alaikum assalam to you.